Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you about our last type of nonfiction text structure, and that is compare and contrast. So how do I compare and contrast texts? Many nonfiction texts are written using a compare and contrast text structure. What does compare and contrast mean? Let's take a closer look. So to compare means to show how two or more things are alike. Basically shows how things are the same. So keywords to help you recognize that things are being compared are words like both, also, alike, similar to, the same as, two with two O's, that means also, or in common. So how can we compare you and me? Things that are same about you and me are that we both live in New Jersey. We are both in quarantine right now. And that we both usually go to Mount Arlington Public School every day for school. So now let's talk about what it means to contrast. So what does it mean to contrast? Contrast means to show how two or more things are different. They show how things are different. So keywords would be though we both go to Mount Arlington School, though I teach and you learn. Even, unlike, different from, but, instead, or although. So let's contrast you and me. So I am an adult and you are still a child. I have children, you do not. And let's think of a third thing. I live in Jefferson Township and you live in Mount Arlington Township. So there are three things to contrast you and me. So when we're comparing and contrasting texts, we use something called a graphic organizer. So we use graphic organizers for all different things, right? There we go. So the graphic organizer we use to compare and contrast is called a Venn diagram. I know you've seen these before because we talked about these in class when we were comparing and contrasting characters. So we're going to use these again to compare and contrast nonfiction topics like animals or hazardous weather or other types of things like that. So in the outside is like topic 1, things about that topic, topic 2, things about that topic, and then in the middle are the things that are the same about both of these topics. So let's look at an example. I compared a goldfish and a dog. Well, you don't really think that those two things are alike usually. But let's see. A goldfish lives in the water, not like a dog. They swim all the time. That's how they get around. And they lay eggs. Dogs live on land, they run, and they have puppies. They both are pets and animals. And now that we're reading this, I bet we could put swims actually in both because dogs do swim, don't they? I should change this to swims underwater. Maybe I'll do that after this. Okay, so I think now you understand what comparing is the same and contrasting is different. But on the next slide, you are going to watch a brain pop video, which don't worry, you don't have to put the password in this time. It's just, you can just watch it right here in these slides so you don't have to click anywhere. And then answer the questions below by dragging the blue box over the right answer. If you have any questions, just private message me and I'll get right back to you. I hope you have a great day and I miss you so much. Good luck, and I know you'll be great.